Hello students, standard 6th. In maths, chapter number 7, fractions. In the last session we started exercise 7.4 and in question number 1 we finished the parts A and B and C was remaining. So let's start with the question 1 C. It says that so 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 8 by 6 and 6 by 6 on the number line, and then put appropriate sign between the fractions given. Fractions are given that I will write down later, but first we have to locate these 4 fractions on a number line. Now we know that when we have to put the numbers, fractions on number line, we have to check what is the number in the denominator. You can see that 6 is there in the denominator. Now here you can see that some of them are like more than 1 also value, and therefore we have to start from 0 and 6 equal parts means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and at 6th part you write down 1, then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 equal parts and you put 2. Now we have to show 2 by 6. So here 0 is 0 by 6. This is 1 by 6. So that is our 2 by 6. Then that is 3 by 6. That is 4 by 6. That is 5 by 6 and 1 is the 6 by 6. We know that. 1 is 6 by 6, then 7 by 6. Then that is our 8 by 6. Now, using that, we have to put the appropriate sign. So now, it is easier to locate them on the number line. All have the 6 in denominator, so we have to make 6 equal parts between 0 to 1 and 1 to 2 also. Because 8 by 6, that is our improper fraction whose value is more than 1, and therefore we move after 1 also and make 6 equal parts. Now we have to put the sign. First is 5 upon 6 box 2 upon 6. Now we know that when they are like fractions, means having the same denominator, then just check the numerator. So here 5 is greater than 2. So 5 by 6 is greater than 2 by 6. Second one, 3 by 6, 0. We always know that all the fractions, positive numbers are greater than 0. So 3 by 6 is greater than 0. Now 1 by 6. Third one is 1 by 6 and 6 by 6. We know that 6 by 6 is 1 and 1 by 6 come here. And therefore, you can see that 1 by 6 is less than 6 by 6. So 1 by 6 is less than 6 by 6. And the fourth one is 8 by 6 box 5 by 6. So here also we can see that 8 by 6 is here, 5 by 6 is here. So 8 by 6 is greater than 5 upon 6. So that is the very simple, because they are all like fractions. It is very easy to compare like fractions because they have equal denominators. Now next question, question number 2. What does it say? Let's see. Compare the fractions and put an appropriate sign. Compare the fractions and put appropriate sign. Let's take the first set. 3 by 6 and 5 by 6. Now here it is easier. Again, why? Because like fractions there. So now 3 by 6 is less than 5 by 6 because 3 is less than 5. But in second one we have to do the method also because they are not like fractions. In second, actually it is also easier, so we can do here directly also. 1 upon 7 and 1 upon 4. Now we saw in the previous sessions that they are unlike fractions but they have the same numerator. When the numerators are same, then the fraction having small denominator is bigger and big denominator is smaller. Here 7 is with a bigger denominator and therefore 1 by 7 is less than 1 by 4. Because they are not like fractions but unlike fractions having same denominator or same numerator. So when the numerators are same, then the number having fraction having small denominator is bigger and big denominator is smaller. Third one. In third one, it is 4 by 5 and 5 by 5. Again like fractions. When they are like fractions, 4 is less than 5. So 4 by 5 is less than 5 upon 5. And D means fourth one. Fourth one have again unlike fractions but having same numerator. So when same numerator, here 5 is less than 7. So 3 by 5 will be greater than 3 by 7. So to compare like fractions also easy, and to compare unlike fractions but having same numerator are also easy to compare. So now question 3 and question 4 I am leaving you for your homework. In question 3 you have to find such few fractions on your own and then you have to write it down. So now let's do the question number 5. Let's see what is going on. Fill appropriate sign. From less than, equal to or greater than. Any one of the sign which is appropriate we have to put. First one, 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 5. Now here, very simple. How? Unlike fraction but having same numerator. So smaller is greater and greater is smaller. So 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 5. B. 2 by 4 and 3 by 6. Here, if you use your mind properly, then you can see that 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So both are equal, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So there will be equality sign between them. C. 3 by 5, 2 by 3. Now here you have to struggle a little because they are neither equal fractions, like fractions, and unlike fractions having not the same numerator also. So here we have to convert them into like fractions. So now 3 by 5, 5 and 3 LCM is 15. So we can multiply it with 3 by 3. So we get 9 upon 15, and 2 by 3 we can multiply with 5 upon 5 to make 15. So 2 5s are 10 upon 15. So now 9 upon 15 is less than 10 upon 15, and therefore 3 upon 5 is less than 2 upon 3. So when they are unlike fractions, we have to make them with a like fraction so that we can compare them easily. Let's take the D. 3 by 4 and 2 by 8. Now here also easy, look there, 2 4s are 8. So here 3 by 4 and that is 1 by 4. So always 3 by 4 will be greater than 1 by 4. So let's take E. In E, very simple, 3 by 5, 6 by 5, they are like fractions. So 3 by 5 is less than 6 by 5. Then F. F is also very simple, 7 upon 9 block 3 upon 9. Like fraction, so greater is greater and smaller is smaller. So now some of them I will left for you. G, H, E, F, I, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J and K. I will leave it for you for homework. So you can do it yourself. Now question number 6, in which some fractions are given and say that the following fractions represents just 3 different numbers. Means when you simplify them, you will get any one out of that 3 numbers. So we have to separate the 3 groups of equivalent fractions, and for that we have to convert them into the simplest form. So let's take first one. First one is 2 upon 12. We know that 2 upon 12 means 2 1s are 2 and 2 6s are 12. So the simplest form is 1 upon 6. Take the second one, B. B is 3 upon 15. So 3 is 3 1s are 15 is 3 5s are 3 3 cancel. So you get 1 upon 5 as the simplest form. Third, C is 8 upon 50. Now is 4 2s are 8 and 50 is 25 2s are 50. Now you can't go further because they don't have any common factors. So 4 upon 25. So D is 16 upon 100. Now 4 4s are 16 and 25 4s are 100. So here also you get 4 upon 25. I mean they will come into the same group as their simplest form is equal. Then E. In E it is 10 upon 60. So 10 upon 60 is 10 ones are 10 6 are 10 and 10 are cancelled. So 1 upon 6, so it will come with this one. Let's take F. In F it is 15 upon 75. 15 ones are 15. 15 5s are 75. So its simplest form is 1 upon 5, which will come with this one. Then G. In G it is 12 upon 60. So 12 5s are 60, we know that. So its simplest form is also 1 upon 5. H 16 upon 96. Now if your tables are clear in your mind, it is very easy. 16 ones are 16 6 are 96. So simplest form is 1 upon 6. I has 12 upon 75. Now 4 3s are 12 and 25 is 25 3s are. So simplest form is 4 upon 25. So you can see that we are getting only 3 different answers, 1 by 6, 1 by 5, 4 by 25. All are there. So we will make them group. Then J. J is 12 upon 72. 12 ones are 12 6 are. So it is 1 upon 6. Then K. K is 3 upon 18. 3 ones are 3. 3 6 are 18. So 1 upon 6. And the last one is L. L have 4 upon 25, which is in simplest form. So now we will make 3 groups. So now groups of like fractions. We will make first group 1. Group 1 with which represent 1 by 6. So in group 1, which number will be there? So 2 upon 12. For which other has 1 by 6? 10 upon 60. Any other one? 1 by 6, that is 16 upon 96. And last one here, 12 upon 72. And this side one more here, 3 upon 18. So this group 1, whose represent, they represent 1 by 6 are these numbers. 2 by 12 because it's simplest form here 1 by 6, 10 by 6, 16 upon 96, 12 upon 72 and 3 upon 18. Now we will make group 2 which represent, now which another fraction is there 1 by 5. So here 1 by 5 represent 3 by 15. Then what other 1 by 5 here? 15 upon 75. Next 12 upon 60 also. 1 by 5. Only that 3 numbers are there, having same simplest form 1 by 5. And the last group, group 3, which represent 4 upon 25. So here you get 8 upon 50. Then next one 16 upon 100. Then 12 upon 75 and 4 upon 25 itself. So these are the 3 groups which represent that number. And question 7 is very simple also here. That also I am leaving for you for the homework. So here we are going to finish the session. Will be followed by the PDF file. And I already gave you some homework also. If any confusion, write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.